The return of the mammoths. Latest discoveries and insights. In the realm of prehistoric creatures, mammoths stand out as majestic giants that roamed the earth during the Ice Age. These colossal beasts have captured the fascination of researchers, historians, and the general public alike. Recent discoveries shed new light on the mysteries surrounding mammoths, their habitats, and their ultimate disappearance from the face of the planet. The Last Sightings. The last known sighting of mammoths dates back around 4,000 years ago on Wrangel Island in the Arctic Ocean. This unique location, situated off the coast of Siberia, served as the final refuge for a small population of these magnificent creatures. It is believed that the isolation of Wrangel Island shielded the mammoths from many of the environmental challenges that their mainland counterparts faced. Habitat and environment. Mammoths were well adapted to the harsh conditions of the Ice Age. They thrived in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, tundra, and even boreal forests. With their characteristic long, curved tusks and thick fur, mammoths could withstand the frigid temperatures of the Pleistocene era. These herbivores played a crucial role in shaping the landscapes they inhabited. Their grazing habits influenced vegetation patterns and helped maintain the delicate balance of ecosystems. Mammoths were an integral part of the prehistoric world, and their presence had far-reaching effects on the environment around them. Scientific insights. In recent years, advances in genetic technology have allowed scientists to extract DNA from mammoth remains. This breakthrough has opened up the possibility of cloning mammoths, a concept that was once confined to the realms of science fiction. Researchers have also delved into the dietary habits of mammoths by analyzing isotopes found in their teeth and bones. These studies provide valuable insights into the changing climate and habitat conditions that mammoths experienced over millennia. Moreover, the discovery of well-preserved mammoth specimens has enabled scientists to reconstruct the anatomy and physiology of these ancient creatures with greater accuracy. By studying their bones, tissues, and DNA, researchers can unravel the mysteries of mammoth evolution and extinction. Conclusion. Mammoths continue to captivate our imagination as relics of a bygone era. Their resilience in the face of harsh environments and their intricate ecological interactions make them a compelling subject of study. As we uncover more about the lives of mammoths through scientific research and exploration, we gain a deeper appreciation for these magnificent creatures that once roamed the earth. The latest discoveries surrounding mammoths offer a glimpse into a world long past, allowing us to piece together the puzzle of their existence and ultimate disappearance. Through ongoing research and technological advancements, we continue to unlock the secrets of these ancient behemoths, shedding light on their significance in the tapestry of Earth's history. Mammoths, the iconic giant mammals that roamed the Earth during the Pleistocene epoch, have long fascinated scientists and the general public alike. These enormous creatures, with their massive tusks and shaggy hair, are often seen as symbols of the ancient world and the power of nature. But beyond their impressive appearance, mammoths also offer valuable insights into past ecosystems, climate change, and the evolution of life on Earth. One of the most distinctive features of mammoths is their tusks, which can reach lengths of up to 16 feet in some species. These long, curved teeth played a crucial role in a mammoth's daily life, serving as tools for digging up vegetation, fighting off predators, and even attracting mates. But the tusks also hold important clues about the animal's biology and behavior. For example, the growth rings found in a mammoth's tusks can reveal information about its age, diet, and overall health. By studying these growth rings, scientists can learn more about how mammoths lived and interacted with their environment. Mammoths were well adapted to the cold, harsh environments of the Pleistocene era, with their thick coats of fur and layers of fat providing insulation against the cold. Their large size also helped them retain body heat, allowing them to survive in regions with freezing temperatures. But despite these adaptations, mammoths faced a number of challenges, including competition for food, predation by other animals, and climate change. As the Pleistocene epoch came to an end, mammoths began to disappear from the Earth, with the last known species going extinct around 4,000 years ago. In recent years, advances in technology have allowed scientists to uncover new information about mammoths and their world. For example, the sequencing of the mammoth genome has provided insights into the animal's genetic makeup, allowing researchers to better understand its evolutionary history and relationship to other species. The discovery of well-preserved mammoth remains in the permafrost of Siberia has also yielded valuable information about the animal's biology, diet, and behavior. By studying these remains, scientists can gain a more complete picture of what mammoths were like and how they lived. Climate change is another area of interest for researchers studying mammoths. The Pleistocene epoch was marked by dramatic shifts in climate, with periods of extreme cold followed by warmer interglacial periods. These changes had a profound impact on mammoths and other Ice Age mammals, altering their habitats and food sources. By studying the remains of mammoths and other animals from this time, scientists can reconstruct past climates and learn more about how ecosystems responded to these changes. This research can also provide valuable insights into how modern ecosystems may be affected by ongoing climate change. Overall, mammoths continue to be a source of fascination and discovery for scientists around the world. By studying these ancient giants, researchers can learn more about the natural history of our planet, the effects of climate change, and the evolutionary processes that have shaped life on Earth. As new technologies and techniques continue to advance, we can expect even more exciting discoveries to come to light, shedding new light on the world of the mammoths and the mysteries of the ancient past. The woolly mammoth, scientific name Mammothus primigenius, is an extinct species of mammoth that lived during the Pleistocene epoch around 150,000 to 10,000 years ago. These magnificent creatures were widespread across North America, Europe, and Asia, and were well adapted to the cold climates of the Ice Age. In this research paper, we will explore the anatomy, behavior, extinction, and significance of mammoths based on scientific studies and findings. Anatomy and physical characteristics. Woolly mammoths were among the largest of the mammoth species, with males reaching heights of up to 11 feet at the shoulder and weighing between 6 to 8 tons. They had long, curved tusks that could grow up to 16 feet in length and were used for defense, foraging for food, and attracting mates. Their furry coats were well insulated with long guard hairs and a thick undercoat, helping them survive in the frigid temperatures of the Ice Age. Mammoths had a distinctive humped back, a high-crowned skull with large cheek teeth for grinding tough vegetation, and a trunk that they used for gathering food, drinking water, and communication. Their large, flat footpads allowed them to navigate through snow and ice with ease, making them well suited for their cold environments. Overall, mammoths were robust, well-built animals with adaptations that helped them thrive in their habitats. Behavior and diet. Mammoths were herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, sedges, shrubs, and other plant materials. They used their tusks and trunk to strip bark off trees and dig for roots and tubers, often leaving behind telltale signs of their feeding habits. Mammoths were social animals and lived in herds of varying sizes, with older, more experienced individuals leading the group. They communicated through vocalizations, body language, and pheromones, establishing pecking orders and social hierarchies within the herd. Mammoths were well adapted to their environments and had impressive migration patterns, following the seasonal changes in vegetation and climate. They traveled long distances in search of food and water, using their keen sense of smell and memory to navigate through the landscape. Mammoths were also known to be excellent swimmers, crossing rivers and lakes during their migrations. Extinction. The exact reasons for the extinction of the woolly mammoth remain a topic of debate among scientists, with multiple factors likely playing a role in their demise. Climate change, habitat loss, overhunting by early human populations, and disease are all considered possible contributors to the extinction of these iconic creatures. The end of the Ice Age and the warming of the Earth's climate led to the decline of mammoth populations as their habitats changed and food sources dwindled. Humans are believed to have hunted mammoths for their meat, fur, and tusks, leading to a decline in population sizes and eventual extinction. Some studies suggest that overhunting and habitat destruction by early humans played a significant role in the disappearance of mammoths from the landscape. The last known populations of mammoths existed on Wrangel Island in the Arctic Ocean around 4,000 years ago, isolated from mainland populations and ultimately succumbing to extinction. Significance and legacy. Mammoths have captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike, with their impressive size, unique adaptations, and mysterious extinction sparking numerous research studies and discussions. The study of mammoths has provided valuable insights into the natural history of Ice Age fauna, climate change, human evolution, and conservation biology. Mammoth fossils have been found in various locations around the world, shedding light on their anatomy, behavior, and interactions with their environments. Recent advancements in DNA sequencing and genetic engineering have raised the possibility of bringing back the woolly mammoth through to extinction efforts. Scientists have proposed using genetic material from well-preserved mammoth specimens to clone and reintroduce these creatures to their former habitats. While this technology presents ethical and logistical challenges, it also holds promise for restoring lost biodiversity and addressing the impacts of climate change on Earth's ecosystems. In conclusion, the woolly mammoth remains a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and curiosity for scientists and enthusiasts around the world. Through scientific research and conservation efforts, we can continue to learn from these iconic Ice Age giants and work towards preserving the natural world for future generations. The legacy of the mammoths lives on in our understanding of the past and our efforts to protect the planet for the future.